is bumpy.
Tango 1652 to the weather, wind 320 at 6, visibility 10, ceiling 4,700, overcast, temperature 20, dew point 12, altimeter 302.
Alright, let's do our panel. Go to the right. Airspeed 0, airspeed 0. Tape is moving, level, altitude within 75. Out, ball is in. Opposite, ball, out is in. Altitude within 75, out, ball is in. Out, ball is in. Tape cross checks with the other. And VSI is 0. KISM Tower, Cherokee 154, Echo Romeo, ready for Southwest departure 33.
Echo Romeo, KISM, hold short, runway 33, landing traffic.
Holding short 33 for Echo Romeo. Probably going to take a 230.
154 Echo Romeo, runway 33, clear for takeoff, and left turn out approved, traffic off, staying in the pattern.
Clear for takeoff, runway 33, left turn out approved for Echo Romeo. Alright, there's 33. And I see 33 coming up, and there's 33 on the compass. Here we go. Full power. Gauges all in the green. And airspeed's live at 50. All looking good. Still looking good. Good RPMs, really good RPMs. We're off. Sooner than I expected. All looking good.
4117 Juliet, downwind of beam, full stop, going Odyssey.
17 Juliet, runway 33, clear to land.
33, clear to land, 4117 Juliet.
Climb out 79. Right, there's our 500 feet. Above 1,000 feet, fuel pump off. Oh, pressure looks good. More to climb to 2,500 feet. Hello, hello, welcome to another video. Today is a quiet day around Orlando. It's New Year's Day, so not a lot of people are out. And I thought I'd go out and just do a few touch and goes and go to a local airport, Bartow, which I've never been to, but it's only a 20-minute flight. Cruising at 2,500 feet. A bit of a headwind, but a 10-knot headwind. I'll be giving him a call soon and descending into the area. So, other than it being really bumpy, no one seems to be out today. Thanks for joining, and I'm just going to let the cameras roll and capture what it does. Hope you enjoy it. If you do, please click like, subscribe, and then you'll get an update when other videos come out. Bartow Tower, Cherokee 154, Echo Romeo over Lake Hamilton, inbound with Echo, requesting touch and goes.
154 Echo Romeo, Bartow Tower, report 2 mile final for 27 left.
Report 2 mile final, 27 left for Echo Romeo. Wow, there are lots of birds. Bartow Tower, Cherokee 154 Romeo, reporting approximately 2 mile final.
Fork Romeo, clear for the option 27 left and then make left traffic.
Alright, clear for the option 27 left and then left traffic for Romeo. And for Romeo, wind check please.
260 at 6.
Slow it down. 1 notch of flaps. Second notch flaps. $70 knots, looking good. Third notch of flaps. 70 knots. The runway, power off, bring it down. It's a weird illusion, power in a little bit. That felt great. Full power. Big gauge is on the green, good RPM. There's 60, rotate. Coming out 79, all looks good. Feet. Turn 170. Standard rate.
Bartow Tower, Kitbox 620 Charlie Tango, 10 to the east, inbound, landing with information Foxtrot.
620 Charlie Tango, Bartow Tower, report 3 mile final for 27 right.
42 miles, 27 right, 620 Charlie Tango.
Cherokee 4 Echo Romeo, clear for the option 27 left.
Clear for the option 27 left for Echo Romeo. Fuel pump lights, let's see, where are we on time? We're going to switch tanks, put it on the right while we've got the fuel pump and the airport right there. And light, mixture's full, rich, carb is off. Got everything there. Our clearance in a second.
Bartow Tower, Kitbox 620 Charlie Tango. I'm going to be exiting Alpha 2 this time. I'll land a little bit long if it's okay.
There's right Tango, roger, approved.
Approved. Long lane, 620 Charlie Tango.
Cherokee 4 Echo Romeo, clear for the option 27 left.
Clear for the option 27 left for Echo Romeo.
Bartow Tower, Comanche 8973 Papa is 10 to the southeast inbound. Let's echo for touch and go.
8973 Papa, Bartow Tower, report 3 mile left base for 27 right.
3 mile left base for 27 right, 8903 Papa.
Tower 4 Echo Romeo, after this we're going to head back to Kissimmee.
Alright, copy that. 4 Echo Romeo on the go, you can turn right on course.
Okay, on the go, turning right on course for Echo Romeo.
73 Papa, change of plans, report that 3 mile left base, expect 27 left.
Expect 27 left, 3 mile left base, 73 Papa.
Kit Fox 0, Charlie Tango, right turn Alpha 2, taxi to parking, monitor ground point 9.
Take around Alpha 2
Clear on the right.
to the terminal parking, monitor point 9. Thanks for the help. 620 Charlie Tango.